This is Mr. Eli, and this is ICT Year 7 Lesson 4 on spreadsheets. Modeling concocting spells. Number 1. Download and open spellcosts.xls. Here it is, spellcosts. That's the name of it. It says also that we should save the spreadsheet and call it spells. I have already done. For this one, it's called spell costs. To save, you already know the drill. File, save as, find a place where you could save, wherever you want in your computer, and then you call it spells. I'm just going to leave it like that because you already know the drill. Let's move on. Have a close look at the spreadsheet. You should see two tabs, one for spell costs, one for cost of ingredients. So if you go in Excel, there you are. One tab is spell costs, the other one is cost of ingredients. Spell costs and cost of ingredients. In the spell costs sheet, highlight cells B4 through B8. B4, here's B, here's 4. I have to drag all the way to B8 so that I have, oops, come on. There we go. B4 through B8 highlighted. Format the cells as currency to 2 decimal places. So I have to format it to currency to 2 decimal places. So I have already selected. I could go here where it is currency and choose some currency. And I already have 2 decimal places, or I could change the number of decimals over here or over here. Do the same for cells D4 through D9. D4 through D9. So I'll take D4 through D9. Oops, D4 through D9, not D8. And I will format it to currency. Another way is I have it already formatted here. I just click on Format Painter right there, and I select all the cells where I want this to be formatted like that one. In cell D4, write a formula to work out the cost of the ingredients for the shapeshifter potion. I want a formula to work out the costs of the ingredients for the shapeshifter potion. Now, shapeshifter potion has the cost of each spider leg. Total is 6. I will have, of course, to do equals the price for each one times the number of spider's leg. Press enter. There we go. Drag with autofill this formula for cells D5 through D8. So we go there. I already have the formula. I come to the corner, bottom right corner. You see that the cursor changes. The cursor changes, and then I can click Control and drag it all the way to D9. I'm sorry, to D8. And I have everything this multiplied by that, this multiplied by that. I copied the formula. Finally, for this part, in cell D9, use the AutoSum button to add up the total cost of the ingredients for the shapeshifter potion. So I want the AutoSum. That's very simple. We have done this last week. I select total cost. I go here to AutoSum. I click here, sum, and I select the numbers that they wanted. They are exactly D4 to D8. So the formula is equals sum D4, D8. I press enter and I have my total cost. I'm going to stop here and I will continue in the next video.